I believe the psychology of money is meant to help you change how you spend, save, and build wealth. Because the way you think about money matters more than how much you make. Interestingly, you've heard the psychology of money audiobook more than once. You've even played the audio while you sleep so you can sink in, but you haven't noticed any visible or tangible changes. Ha! And you know why? You do some dumb things. You shoot yourself on the leg. Here are some short, sharp, direct points to get you thinking. 1. Doing well with money is more about behavior than knowledge. Financial success is not a hard science, it's a soft skill, how you behave. Even if you're not great at math or investing, you can still build wealth by being consistent, patient, and disciplined. But guess what? This is a damn thing you do. You obsess over finding the perfect stock or chasing trendy financial news, but you don't budget, you don't save, you don't follow through. Mhm. Knowing is useless if you don't do. Next, getting rich and staying rich are two different skills. Getting money requires taking risks. Keeping money requires humility and fear. Don't take unnecessary risks after you've started building wealth. Be humble enough to protect what you've earned. So, you know what the damn thing you do? You hit a financial goal. Then you start showing off with the big purchases. You invest recklessly or you take huge risks because you feel untouchable. You forget that one bad move can undo years of progress. Oh, and by the way, no one is crazy. So, number 4, no one is crazy. We just have different money stories. People do crazy things with money, but no one is crazy. Everyone has unique experiences with money, how they grew up, and what they fear. So don't blindly copy others. Focus on what works for you. You know the damn thing you do? You copy someone else's lifestyle or investments without understanding if it actually fits your values or situation. Just because it worked for them doesn't mean it's right for you. Next, save money not just for a goal but for freedom. The highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up and say, I can do whatever I want today. So save money not just for emergencies or retirement, but to buy time, options, and peace of mind. You know the damn thing you do again? You only save for big flashy goals like vacations or cars and spend the rest with zero buffer or breathing room. Then you trade long term peace for short term pleasure. Mhm. You don't need to be extraordinary to build wealth. You just need to be reasonable and stay consistent for a long time. Avoid trying to be perfect. Focus on making good decisions consistently and let time work for you. You know the damn mistake you do? You think you're not smart enough to invest money or manage money. So you never even start. And who told you you're not smart enough? Why do you let self doubt rob you of the power of consistency? Compounding is the most powerful force, but it takes time. $81.5 billion of Warren Buffett's $84.5 billion net worth came after his 65th birthday. 65th. The earlier you start saving or investing, the more time your money has to grow. Don't interrupt compounding by chasing quick wins. Don't do the damn mistake of withdrawing your savings too early. You jump in and out of investments. You stop contributing when results seem slow. You kill compounding before even it has a chance to work. So, what do you expect? Next, you will never feel like you have enough unless you define it. What's enough for you? The hardest financial skill is getting the goalpost to stop moving. Define what enough means for you. Otherwise, you'll keep upgrading your lifestyle and you stay stuck in the cycle. You know the damn mistake thing you do? You keep upgrading your lifestyle every time you earn more. New phone, better car, bigger house. More income becomes more spending instead of more security. Next, avoid extreme financial decisions based on rare events. We underrate the role of luck in success and the role of risk in failure. So prepare for the unexpected. Build buffers into your budget and investing to protect against bad luck. The damn thing you do is that you make drastic money moves out of fear, pulling out all your investments out during a market dip or panic spending in emergencies. Why? Reacting emotionally to rare events causes lasting damage. And the best thing is that your personal finance plan doesn't have to impress anyone. Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. Build wealth quietly. Don't waste money to look rich. Use it to actually be free. So the damn thing you do is that you try to look rich on social media. You buy brands you can't afford and finance luxuries to gain approval. Meanwhile, your actual financial life is falling apart behind the scenes. And yes, get this, wealth is what you don't see. It's saved, not spent. A habit of saving small amounts regularly is more powerful than a one time jackpot. So don't do the damn thing of waiting for a huge opportunity. From where? A huge opportunity like a raise, a business idea, or winning big. And then you ignore small steps like daily saving or tracking expenses. You miss the power of slow and steady because you want fast and flashy. You know what? I've done my part. Over to you, my 1 million friends.